In here, all the lockers you see are getting replaced with new. All the benches you see are getting replaced with new. The showers are getting restored. And the restroom in this locker room is getting renovated as well for ADA compliance. The existing press box here will receive a new roof along with the fencing around it. 70 existing site lights will be swapped out with new LED site lighting. Interior intercom and public address system is getting an additional speakers. This generator is getting replaced. The whole band corridor and all these other areas that are all getting new vinyl floor.